Good morning. Here we have the Toro 42-inch Timecutter, which cuts through anything except half-inch bolts. And when you hit them, the blade that should look like that, ends up looking like that. So this one is turned into a pretzel, and we need to get it back to this shape. Right. Now, what you'd normally do is go down to the dealer and get a new blade. But because of the current situation, it's 50 on back order in the country. None in Australia. So what are you going to do? Well, you're going to have a go at straightening it. Now this is spring steel, so, okay, first thing, let's straighten it, which means heat. So, what do? You build a forge. Now, most of us don't have a forge lying around, but we do have a few old pavers, a bit of old pipe, and then we go down and we buy some heat beads, and then we open up the old heat bead thing to find out it's actually charcoal. It could be good, could be bad. I've never used charcoal. It should be right. Now over here we have a 60 litre rubbish tin which has been filled with water. Now this is in case I burn myself, I can plunge my hand straight in there. I don't have to run around, try and turn a tap on and find there's no water. The bucket there instead. And also, when it comes to the tempering step, I've got some water. Now I don't really know what that is. I've got YouTube to guide me and my old experience. But basically there's mild steel, tool steel, and spring steel. Spring steel. Now, the trouble is if I heat this up and straighten it, it's going to take the temper out of it. But I need to get it straight first. Then I need to heat it up again, but not so hot, up to the tempering temperature, and then throw it in the water, I think. Between now and then, I've got to watch another couple of YouTube videos to, find out from the oracle exactly what to do. So here, let's go to the forge. First of all, get it going. Now, you can see it's not too bad at the moment. And we could use the little 18 volter to tickle it up. There's a hole, it tickles. Or we could shove it in here. Yeah? That's not bad. Or we could try this. Not too hard. Yeah, check that out. That's what I call a blast burner. I'll turn it off in a minute. But as you can see, I think we're going to get it hot enough. So I'll be back in a minute. We've heated that up enough to be able to straighten it. Righto, so what we've done is put the bent blade, which is only bent on one end, which is really fortunate, into the furnace, and putting it up for some time. Now, when I said straighten, that's sort of a broad term. I don't really mean straighten, I mean to form the shape it should be compared to what it used to be. And so, as you can see, this is has a special curve in it. So I'm going to use this blade to be the template for the blade I'm heating up. So with any luck, it'll work. Right, now we're going to try, see if it's hot enough to bend to shape, to the template. Whoa! Well, some of it's hot enough. Why is it only hot on one end? It pretty much looks like the one underneath it. Pretty happy with that. Ha! Hola! Step one. So I've left the blade in there just to heat up a certain amount. Not red hot, blue hot, whatever that is.
Yeah,
And we'll try that. Thank you. Now we'll see if this works or not. Well, not elegant. Perhaps it worked. And now, kind of looks like the other one. I'll sharpen them up. Yeah, see how they go.